As we've been reporting all week, Ithaca Mayor Dimattei is releasing a bold plan on fighting drugs. He unveiled his report, the Ithaca Plan, today alongside Tompkins County law and health officials. WENY's Dimattei is live in Ithaca to explain more about the mayor's drug plan that calls for supervised heroin injection facilities. Ross?
Good afternoon, Sam. That's right. Ithaca Mayor Dimattei just wrapping up a lengthy press conference alongside 9 panel experts who came up with this new Ithaca plan. It's a new way to fight abuse and misuse of drugs here in the city of Ithaca. And obviously much of the chatter, even nationally, has been about the supervised injection facility. And to be honest, there wasn't a whole lot of talk about that facility throughout the presentation. But once they opened it up to questions at the end, obviously the press kind of had at it with Mayor Dimattei, and he did not shy away. He does intend to be the first city in America to implement a supervised injection facility in which heroin users would be able to shoot up under the supervision of nurses. But he pointed to a lot of research that's gone into this plan. They've looked at cities in Canada, Australia that have tried these injection facilities before. In fact, there was a member of the panel who was an expert that was involved in getting one of these clinics up and running in Canada. And he mentioned that they implemented it back in 2001. Since then, they've had 2,000 overdoses at their facility. Not one of them has been deadly. And they said really the goal behind this new way of fighting drug abuse and misuse is to not treat it as a law enforcement issue as much as it is a health issue. They want to make sure these people live, and they care about every life here in Ithaca. That was a message that Mayor Dimattei said emphatically, and that's why they've changed. They looked at the past 30 years, really since the war on drugs was started back in the 80s, and they've said it has been a failed plan and something needs to change, and they're not shy about being the innovators to a plan like this, including a supervised injection facility. So that was just one of many new aspects of the Ithaca drug plan. We'll have a full recap on WENY News at 5:30 and 6 o'clock. Make sure to tune in for that. But for now, reporting live in downtown Ithaca, Dimattei, WENY News.